Welcome to this first lecture of chapter 2, namely Basics of Psychrometry. Now, what is psychrometry? Atmospheric air, as you know, is a mixture of dry air and water vapor. At very high altitudes, say about 10 kilometers above mean sea level, the air is, for all practical purposes, dry air. But at altitudes of human occupation, the air is indeed a combination of dry air and water vapor, namely moist air. Psychrometry is a study of the thermodynamic properties of moist air. It uses these properties to analyze the conditions and processes involving moist air. Psychrometric charts provide an HVAC professional with important physical properties of moist air. Attached to this virtual classroom are two psychrometric charts, namely Psychrometric chart IP and Psychrometric chart SI, which are respectively in inch pound, that is FPS units, and SI units. Please download these charts and print a few copies of them. The objectives of this chapter are: 1. To familiarize you with the use of the psychrometric chart in order to arrive at the properties of moist air. 2. To plot the dry bulb, wet bulb, specific humidity, relative humidity, specific volume and enthalpy of air using the chart. 3. Use the chart to calculate the mixed air conditions of return air and fresh air mixing at the cooling coil. And finally, 4. To plot the sensible heat factor and apparatus dew points using the chart. In the next lecture, we will undertake a detailed study of the psychrometric chart. Thank you for your attention.